Hi, after a tiring day, if you don't know what to do, I think salad might be life-saving. It will be very easy. I have all the ingredients here. I'll start with the salad. It's very easy to use like this. I wash all with vinegar a night before and I keep them inside a bag with a paper towel wrapped, so they stay fresh like that and you don't have to wash before preparing salad. It's good for lazies. Today I don't use gloves because I have very little ingredients. To use with my hands. So it's enough. And red pepper. I have a variety of tomatoes here. Those blackish ones are nice. I use them. Main ingredients are ready. I will prepare the sauce. I just like olive oil and lemon. Actually, I don't use other chemicals. Mix it with the vegetables. The base is ready. Now I will put some green onion. It's enough for me. I like pickles too. I don't know if you can use also cucumber pickle. I had fried some cashew nuts. It gives a nice taste if you like and if you are not allergic to it. Now it needs the halloumi cheese. It is nice to use something like that in salad because it's nice to have something warm inside salad. It's more like dinner than for me. You can add some vegetables too, such as fried aubergine or pepper and melon, but I will not use it inside the salad. It will be the dessert for tonight. So it will be a very healthy dinner actually. Fruits and vegetables. As far as it's written on the etiquette in the supermarket, this melon comes from Greece. So the dessert is ready. It should look brown. Here's our main base. The cheese is also from Greece. Actually, the pickle is also from Greece, I think. And olive oil. Tonight, many things are from Greece. Fast dinner for lazies is ready. Salad with halloumi, vegetables and jam bread. Bon appetit!